Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accounting. 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 Accounting is a noun that refers to the systematic process of recording, analyzing, and reporting financial transactions, often in the form of financial statements. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Proper accounting practices are essential for businesses to track their financial performance. Why accounting is used in example number 1. This highlights accounting is the practice of systematically recording and analyzing financial transactions, which is crucial for tracking financial performance and making informed decisions. Example number 2. Accounting plays a significant role in tax preparation and financial planning. Why accounting is used in example number 2. This highlights accounting is vital for tax preparation, helping individuals and businesses calculate and report their tax obligations. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.